Alright guys, we got this new engine ready to go. It's all prepped down. We got fresh oil, new oil filter, cat converter is bolt in, hoses is all ready to go. Transmission bolt is all torqued to spec all the way around. We got the starter bolt in there, alternator bolt in there, all the connectors for the starter alternator, and the bracket down here for the rear engine mounts. It's all torqued to spec, especially the flex plate bolt inside here. That cover torqued to spec. All 7 flex plate bolt is like 8 foot-pounds or something, or 9, so it's not much. Okay, so make sure everything is good. And now we're gonna be dropping this engine right over there. So we're gonna have to make some room. Put the engine mounts on this side, transmission mount on that side, and then the engine mount on the bottom at the back. After that, we'll connect everything back together. Alright, we're just gonna put this engine mount at the back here. Gonna get it ready. There is the engine mount right there. So we got that engine mount from a 1.5 turbo. We had a 1.5 turbo spare engine like over a year ago. So we end up using that one because the original one on here was broken in half. So the 1.5 is the same thing as the 2-liter engine mount. So there's a tip for you guys. You can just interchange parts and it will work.
Okay.
Push the engines towards me.
Yes.
Watch here in the back.
Okay. Yeah, go down.